Mong Special Guerrilla Units we're celebrating, fighting alongside Air U.S. Commandos, Special Forces, Ravens, Air American, CIA. Hmong forces bore the brunt of the ground fighting and casualties in support of American forces in Military Region 2. Under the command of General Vang Pao and Chief Operations Strategist Colonel Xiao, if I pronounce it right, Hope Vang, and other courageous leaders, SGUs diverted from the front line NVA divisions and supplies from the war effort in South Vietnam. They served as the primary anti-communist forces in Laos. By war's end, the Hmongs were virtually annihilated, protecting Laotian sovereignty. Hmong warriors fought till they died, and the Hmong pilots flew till they died. Today, their legacy remains a formidable commando force with a valiant record of combat service. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers, for he today that sheds his blood with me shall be my brother. And gentlemen in England shall think themselves accursed, they were not there, and hold their manhoods cheap whilst any speak that fought with us on St. Crispin's Day. When the country is in danger, the military mission is to wreak destruction upon the enemy. All right. Thank you. You need a lot of help. It's a harsh and bloody business, but that's what the military is. As George Orwell pointed out, people sleep peacefully in their beds at night only because rough men stand ready to do violence on their behalf. And for those who fought for it, such as yourself, freedom has a special taste the protected will never know. And as a member of the American Legion Post 807 that provided an honor guard, and it was the first we know of in the nation, in flag folding for Corporal Chang Tao, we feel it's important for all Hmong people in the United States to remember they're the sons, daughters, and grandchildren of Hmong warriors who fought with the United States and sacrificed their lives to gain freedom for you. Thousands of Hmong soldiers have died in poverty and obscurity, never appreciated by their country or their Americanized children, said Mao, president of the SGUVB. Our bloodshed and sacrifice brought the Hmong 100 years into the future by coming to this country. That's what you gave your children, is you brought them to this country and brought them 100 years into, or more into the future. American children respect their parents, but Hmong children don't even bother to find out where their parents are coming from, Charlie Mao said. His 21-year-old son had told him, I'm in a different world right now, we're not involved in that, and we don't want to talk about it. It's very sad. Yes, it is very sad. A place of honor for the Hmong people has been built in the Museum of the Forgotten Warrior in Linda, across from Beale Air Force Base, the largest private museum celebrating the price of freedom. Your grandparents fought with guns, and you must carry on the fight for freedom a different way, with words and initiative, hard work, and with entrepreneurial spirit. What the mind can conceive and believe, the body can achieve. In closing, you're known by the people you fought and died with. This is what the Ravens said about the Hmong people. Helping the Hmong in their battle to defeat the communists and our country's support of the war in Southeast Asia, this defense of Laos, thereby occupying several North Vietnamese Army divisions and keeping them from going to South Vietnam, was the most rewarding accomplishment of my 38-year military career. And having been there during the height from 66 to 68, we had 500,000 Americans in that country. And thank you all. May this day forward you return home safely, receive good fortune with good health. And I wish the waves of the rivers wash away bad luck, so that the ears and the eyes do not see or hear of the bad omens. God bless you all.